Good morning, children. Let us continue the previous class. Let us practice fun time 1.2. First problem, verify a 29 by 27 of 3 by 13 minus 9 by 29 equal to 29 by 27 into 3 by 13 minus 29 by 27 into 9 by 29. Okay, it is the left distributive property. From multiply left distributive property. Okay, first take LHS. LHS is equal to 29 by 27 3 by 13 minus 9 by 29. First solve the bracket. So 29 by 27 of 13 into 29 is the LCM. So multiply 3 into 29, 87 minus 13 into 9, 117 by 13 into 29, 13 into 29. Okay, equal to 29 by 27 of minus 770 1183 by 13 into 29. 13 into 29. Okay, 29 cancel. Again 3 table, 3 nines, 27, 3 tens equal to minus 10 by 117 LHS. Now RHS equal to 29 by 27 into 3 by 13 minus 29 by 27 into 9 by 29. 3 ones, 3 nines. 29 cancel. 9 ones, 9 threes. Okay, now find the LCM. 29 threes, 87 minus 117 by 9 13s, 117 into 3 equal to minus 30 by 117 into 3. 3 ones, 3 tens. So minus 10 by 117. So LHS equal to RHS. So the distributive property, the left distributive property of rational numbers is satisfied. Okay, now B, verify B, bracket of minus 39 by 90 plus 7 by 38, bracket close, into minus 7 by 5 equal to minus 39 by 90 into minus 7 by 5 plus 7 by 38 into minus 7 by 5. Okay, first take LHS. LHS equal to minus 39 by 19 plus 7 by 38, bracket close, into minus 7 by 5. First solve the bracket. What is the LCM of 19 and 38? 38 is LCM. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Minus 9 2s 18, 1 8, 2 3 6 1 7, minus 78 plus 7 by 38, okay, bracket close, into minus 7 by 38, minus 7 by 5 equal to minus 78 plus 7 means minus 71 into minus 7 by 38 into 5. Multiply 71 into 7, minus into minus plus, 7 1 7, 7 7 is 49, 4 97 by 5 8 is 40, 4 0, 5 3 is 15, 4 190. 497 by 190, it is LHS. Okay, RHS, right hand side, RHS equal to minus 39 by 90 into minus 7 by 5 plus 7 by 38 into minus 7 by 5. Okay, first find the product of two numbers, two rational numbers is equal to the product of the numerators by the product of the denominators. 9 sevens, 6 3, 6 3, 9 3s, 21 6, 27 plus minus into minus plus 273 by 19 5s, 95 plus of minus 49 by 190. So the LCM of these two fractions is 190. So the first fraction multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 equal to 2 3 6, 2 7 14, 2 1 2 1 5, 546 by 190 minus 49 by 190 equal to 497 by 190. So LHS equal to RHS. The right distributive property of rational numbers is verified. Okay, next second problem. Solve the following. A 5 by 12 into 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 12 plus 5 by 9. Now here once observe 2 by 3 is the common. Okay, take 2 by 3 common, 2 by 3 off, the remaining is 5 by 12 minus 1 by 12 is the remaining plus 5 by 9 equal to 2 by 3. First solve the bracket. The denominator is common 12. So numerator we have to subtract 5 minus 1 4 plus 5 by 9. 4 ones 4 threes. 4 ones 4 threes. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 5 by 9. 2 ones 2, 3 threes 9. 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So the 9 is the LCM. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 by 9 is the answer. Okay, B. 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 7 by 19 into 2 by 5. Now cancel. 2 ones 2 threes, 5 ones, 5 ones. What is the remaining? 1 into minus 1 by 1 into 3 3. And second one 3 ones 3 ones, 1 into 1 before minus 1 is there, minus 1 by 5 plus 7 twos 14, 19 fives 95. The LCM of 3, 5 and 95. LCM of 3, 5 and 95 means multiply with 95 into 3. 3 5s 15, 1 5. 3 9s 27, 1 28. 285 is LCM. 285. Okay, 285 is the LCM. So minus 1 by 3 into 285. 3 9s 27, 3 5s 15. So minus 95. And second fraction is 1 by 5 into 285. 5 ones 5 5s 25. 25 means 3 remaining sevens. So minus 57. 14 by 95. 95 into 3. 14 3s. 4 3s 12. 42. Minus 95. 57 equal to 7521. 15 minus 152 plus 42 by 285 equal to minus 110 by 285. Now 5 table minus 5 2s 10 and 5 2s 10 by 5 57s minus 22 by 57. Okay, now see 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. Okay, now 7 by 5 is the common of both expressions. So 7 by 5 of the remaining is minus 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. So 7 by 5 of minus 3 plus 5. So the LCM is 12 minus 3 plus 5 by 12 equal to 7 by 5 of plus 5 minus 3 means 2. 2 by 12. 2 ones 2 6. 7 into 1 7 by 5 into 6 30. 7 by 30 is answer. Okay, now multiply 6 by 30 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 26. First you have to find the reciprocal of minus 7 by 26. So the reciprocal of minus 7 by 26 is minus 26 by 7. Now find the product of 6 by 13 into minus 26 by 7. So 13 ones 13, 13 twos. So multiply minus 2 into 6 minus 12 by 7. Minus 12 by 7 is our answer. What is the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5? Okay, solution. So the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5 means plus is there means minus, minus is there means plus. So the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5 means 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. So the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5 is minus 6 by 5.